Good evening, students, and hi, welcome back once again. So, today I am here to teach you the map pointing skills on geography. So, student, on the last class, I have given you some question on chapter number 1, India size and location. So, I hope all of you have gone through the question as well as you have practiced the map and solved the question. And today I am here to make you understand how to solve those questions and how to point out on the Indian map. So today for class 9, the social science geography map pointing solution on practice set 1 chapter 1, India size and location. So now you can see on the screen that 12 questions are there from the first chapter which I have given on the last class. So I hope all of you have done those questions, and in this video I am here to make you understand how to solve and how to point it out on Indian map. So you see the question: capital of Madhya Pradesh, states which share borders with Bangladesh, mark the union territory which is the capital of two states, Indian Standard Time, easternmost state of India, color it green the state which have longest coastline, a landlocked state in India, locate Mizoram, the water body separates Sri Lanka from India, color it blue, northernmost latitude of India, draw a straight line on Indian map and write the north-south extension of India, and the last one is name and shade the island groups located on Arabian Sea. So these are few questions which I have given on the last class for the worksheet or the practice set from first chapter, and today I am here to sort out. If you have any problem regarding this map to solve, you just go through the video and go through my solution which I will give you now. So student, on the screen you can see one map, Indian map. I have pointed it out and colored it, and from here you have to sort it out. Let me discuss one by one. So in the previous question you can see the capital of Madhya Pradesh. So which one is the capital of Madhya Pradesh? The capital of Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal. See, in Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal, I have marked over here. So I have given number 1 for Bhopal. So capital, this state is Madhya Pradesh and its capital is Bhopal. So this is the solution for the first question. Now for the second question, the state which share borders with Bangladesh. So here there are already 4 states which is sharing border with Bangladesh. Any one you have to point out. I have marked it as number 2. See, West Bengal, then Meghalaya, Assam and Tripura. These states, it shares border with Bangladesh. So these are the 4 states. When you will point out in your exam, only one you will point out among these 4 states. So these are the states which are sharing border with Bangladesh. So this is the answer of the second one. Next, the third question. Mark the union territory which is the capital of 2 states. So which union territory is the capital of 2 states? On the screen you can see it is Chandigarh. Chandigarh is the capital of Punjab and Haryana. So number 3, it is marked Chandigarh. It is the capital of 2 states. Here Chandigarh is located in between the border of Punjab and Haryana. So this is the answer of number 3. Now let us go to the next one. Indian Standard Meridian or Indian Standard Time, number 4. So here is the Indian Standard Meridian which is passing through UP Mirzapur, and it is the main meridian of India from where the entire time of our country is calculated. So it is number 4, the Standard Meridian of India, this straight line which is passing through India. So this is the answer of number 4. Now number 5 question. Easternmost state of India, color it yellow. So which is the easternmost state? Easternmost state is Gujarat. So this is number 5, easternmost state Gujarat, and I have colored it yellow. So this is the easternmost state of India. So this is number 5. So you can see, student, how you will do it in your examination. Next question. Color it green the state which have longest coastline. So among all the state, which state is having the longest coastline? It is Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh as well as Gujarat. Both the states, Gujarat have the longest coastline, but as Gujarat we have already done as westernmost state, so I am not considering it. It will be the answer which is having longest coastline. So first one is the Gujarat and second longest coastline is Andhra Pradesh. So question number 6 answer will be both. Okay, Gujarat is the state having the longest coastline. After second position is Andhra Pradesh. So Gujarat, as it is the answer of number 5, so I have not repeated it again. So I have also marked over here Andhra Pradesh and given it number 6. But the longest coastline, first one is the Gujarat and second one is Andhra Pradesh. So it will be the answer of number 6, state having longest coastline. The next one is a landlocked state. So in India there are several landlocked state. Landlocked state means which is surrounded by land on all the side. No coastline is there. So here are few of the state you can see on the map. I have given number 7. Okay, first one is Haryana, it is a landlocked state. Then Madhya Pradesh is a landlocked state. Then it is Jharkhand, it is a landlocked state. Chhattisgarh is a landlocked state. Telangana is a landlocked state. So in the index also I have given the name of the landlocked state: MP, Madhya Pradesh, Haryana, Telangana, Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh. The all state I have given over here, and these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 states are over here. You, in the examination you will only mark 1 or 2 which is asked in the question. Accordingly you will do. Next question is locate Mizoram. It is very easy. Mizoram. So number 8 I have given over here. This is Mizoram and I have given it number 8 answer. And next question. Question number 9. The water body separates Sri Lanka from India. Color it blue. So which water body is separating India from Sri Lanka? It is over here, Pak Strait. It is a narrow strip of water body which is separating India and Sri Lanka. So Pak Strait is located over here. I have given it question answer number 9. It is Pak Strait. Another water body is also present over here. It is Gulf of Mannar, but it is not required over here. You will do Pak Strait, which is separating India from Sri Lanka. So this is the answer of question number 9. Question number 10. Northernmost latitude of India. So northernmost latitude 37 degrees 6 minute north. See, in the north it is given the northernmost latitude. Here I have drawn one line and given it number 10, and the value is 37 degrees 6 minute north. It is the northernmost latitude of India. Next, question number 11. Draw a straight line on the map and write the north-south extension of India. So the north-south extension, see one straight line I have drawn from the north to the southern part of the map, and I have written one extension given over here, that is 3214 kilometer, and given it number 11. So this line is the north-south extension of India. In your book also you can see this line. And the last question is name and shade the island group which is located on Arabian Sea. So on Arabian Sea, which island group of India is located? Lakshadweep Island. So this one is Arabian Sea and here is the Lakshadweep Island. I have marked it. Okay, the small island groups, they are located on the Arabian Sea, and it is the Union Territory of India. So these are the solution of the practice set which I have given on the previous class. So students, I hope you have already done. Those who have not done, once you go through my video where I have given the solution of it, and from here once you see it and practice, and after that without seeing it you will practice. So like this several other questions can come from here. So here are some sample question. On the next video we will do some other map, as well as we will also solve some question. So thank you student, today up to this much, and we will again meet on the next class, and have a nice day.